everybody, my name's Cece, this is Handsome Gus, and here at Not Calm, my goal is to teach you the art of macrame as well as achieving peace through creativity. So how am I going to achieve this? With basic macrame tutorials, DIY macrame projects, mindfulness tips, as well as sharing with you my own creative art journey. When I first found macrame years ago now, I became so addicted to it because I found that when I was creating, I went into a state of meditation, the worries of my day would just wash away, and I really was able to connect more with my inner self. I really hope that this channel inspires you to learn macrame, create something beautiful with your hands, and not be afraid to express yourself through art or trying something new. Getting creative is so good for your mental health, and it is also fun and inspiring, so I really hope that this channel can help you find your peace and creativity.